How to set up a Twitch gaming stream. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can set up a Twitch gaming stream. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to set up a Twitch gaming stream, first of all, depends upon which application we want to use for streaming, because nowadays you also have Twitch Studio, which is by far my favorite and the most easiest to use. You don't have to do anything, just start Studio and then just click the start stream option over here. If you're using Twitch Studio, you can also choose over here, change the capture tab, and you can choose a particular game that you are running in the background here to be able to stream only that game and not the other games here. So you can select that and you can just hit on start streaming to stream it for your games. You can choose the frame rates and every other setting. Now, another case scenario is if you are using OBS Studio, which is also very good, by the way. If you want to go a bit more advanced and depth into streaming, you can use OBS Studio. Here, first of all, you have to make sure you connect a Twitch account by simply coming to settings here. Once you come to settings from here, you can simply go to stream. Here, just select Twitch under the service tab, and then you can go to connect account. Once you go to connect account, you'll be able to connect a Twitch account, and then you'll be able to start streaming your games as well. This way, you'll be able to set up Twitch streaming for game. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.